Mr. Sourav Ganguly on 2nd of January, he has had a heart attack when he was admitted in Woodlands, and he had an angioplasty for one of his arteries. At the time of his first heart attack, we also diagnosed that he had blockages in 2 other arteries, and that was planned to be treated at the second stage. This time he got admitted for angioplasty of the other 2 arteries, the left-sided arteries. This time we also checked his previous angioplasty that was done. The stents were working fine, and therefore 2 more stents were put on the left-sided artery. Mr. Ganguly made an uneventful recovery. His heart is very strong, and we hope that within the next few days he should be able to get back to all his normal activities. Yeah. He is fit to attend any meeting, and from the heart side he is absolutely fit. So from our side there are no restrictions in terms of physical activity, and over the next few days he should be able to get back to doing all that he was doing before his heart attack also. So usually the medicines would continue, and usually there are certain routine follow-ups that are done within a period of 1 month to 2 months, and that is what we do as the time permits us.
Okay, next
No, that is something that is based on medical assessment, and that is something that we'll keep on doing with him, and we will let you know accordingly if there's any change in plans. So that's something that is done. That's a routine standard practice. The follow-ups would be a little frequent, and then it's probably going to be once in a year that he needs to follow up with us. So that's the routine for any person who has a heart blockage. There are certain standard set of 10 investigations. Mr. Ganguly also needs to go through those standard investigations. There's nothing different that he needs to do. But the most important factor is his heart is well preserved. His heart pumping is normal. The ejection fraction, as we mentioned, is normal. So his heart is absolutely normal, and he can go back to all his normal physical work that he used to do, and lead a normal quality of life. We all know Dada to be a very strong man. He's faced all the bowlers all over the world, and he's a mentally very strong person. So I'm sure he'll come out of this, and he's been a wonderful patient. So based on, despite all the attention, all the media attention on all the other things that were pressurizing him, he has been a wonderful patient, and I think we all can pray that he returns back to the previous Dada that we know him to be. So that is what I think the message is. He's been a wonderful patient, and he's a great human being also, and I'm sure he'll come back with all the expectations that all of us have from him, and he'll get back to a normal quality of life.
Thank you.